Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs in a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, extensions, and a spark plug socket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning to avoid burns and potential thread damage. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, locate the ignition coil packs, which are positioned directly over each spark plug on your engine. Now let's get those old plugs out. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each ignition coil pack. Then, unbolt and carefully remove each coil pack, keeping them organized to ensure they go back in their original positions. Using your spark plug socket and an extension, loosen and remove the old spark plugs. Take a moment to inspect them for any signs of wear or unusual deposits, which can indicate engine health. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. First, if necessary, verify the gap on each new spark plug using a gapping tool. Many are pre-gapped. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. Carefully hand thread each spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, usually around 13 to 15 foot-pounds. Almost done. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside the boot of each ignition coil pack. Reinstall the coil packs, making sure they are securely bolted down and in their correct locations. Reconnect all electrical connectors to their respective coil packs. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for any misfires or unusual sounds, ensuring a smooth idle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.